Let us solve another MCQ question in matrices chapter. So the given question is, what can be said about the diagonal entries of a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Your options are all entries are 0, next all entries are 1, and there is no restriction on choosing. There is no and the last option is none of the above. Okay, so these are the given options for this question. So let us solve this. So first, what is skew symmetric matrix? How the matrix is written? So for skew symmetric matrix, the matrix is formed as the diagonal elements must be 0, and here the upper part of the diagonal can be anything like 1, 2, 3, and the lower part of the diagonal is of the same numbers but opposite symbols. So -1, 2, -3. So this is the example for skew symmetric matrix. So what they are asking about diagonal entries now. So diagonally in skew symmetric matrix, all the elements will be 0. So your option is correct. Okay. Whereas in symmetric matrix, the matrix is formed as the diagonal inverse can be anything. Okay, x, y, z. But your upper diagonal and lower diagonal elements must be correspondingly same. Like aij is equal to aj, whereas here aij is equal to minus aj. Okay, so like this. Or you can say here plus or minus, here minus or plus. If it is plus, then that will be minus. If it is minus, that will be plus. Opposite. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, then -2, then here -2, 3. So whatever will be the symbol, whether it is plus or minus. Okay, now same symbols will be now present here both sides. Okay, here +1, +1, -2, -2, 3, 3. Okay, the diagonal elements can be anything, but the restriction on upper diagonal part and lower diagonal part. But whereas in skew symmetric matrix, the restriction on diagonal, all elements must be 0, but whatever is the upper part, the lower part must be in the opposite symbols of the upper part of the diagonal. Okay, so like this you can solve this type of questions.